everyone, it's me again, Lavray. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa ang pot na to. So this is made of gypsum, also known as plaster of Paris. Madali lang itong gawin guys, and it's very rewarding. So kung mahilig ka sa small plants like me, malaki ang matitipid mo if you make your own pot. Pwede mo rin itong panregalo this Christmas or pwede mo rin siyang gawing business. So kung interesado kayo sa video na to, just keep on watching. So let's start guys, and don't forget to use a mask and gloves to protect yourself. And the materials dry fast, so kailangang naka-prepare na lahat ng gagamitin mo. And the ratio that I am using is 1 cup gypsum is to 1/2 cup of cold water. Mas magandang konti lang ilagay mong water kaysa yung madami. Mas mahirap kasi siyang habulin. Pwede kang magdagdag ng tubig if hindi mo nakuha yung consistency na gusto mo. Yung ina-achieve kasi nating consistency is a paste-like consistency. Pag na-ready mo na lahat ng materials mo, paghaluin mo na yung gypsum at saka yung cold water. Pwede kang magdagdag ng tubig kung hindi mo pa na-achieve yung gusto mong consistency. And then, after that, pwede mo na siyang i-transfer sa mold mo. Once done, do a tapping motion sa surface or sa table mo para tumaas yung bubbles, or pwede ka rin gumamit ng barbecue stick tapos tusok-tusukin mo para tumaas yung bubbles. In less than 15 to 20 minutes, tuyo na ito guys. So while waiting, I will just clean my tools and I will be right back. Eto na siya guys, after 20 minutes, ready na sila. At eto nga pala yung pinakauna kong ginawa na super fail. Pero I can still use it naman. Nilagyan ko kasi ng oil yung molder and naparami ko ata. Kaya may mga bakas siya at hindi ko na rin siya na-polish. Alright, alisin na natin ito sa molder guys, ng dahan-dahan lang. Ang kagandahan ng gypsum guys is magaan lang siya. It's lightweight, mura lang, tapos madali lang siyang gawin, and madali mo rin siyang i-finish. On top of that, fire resistance din siya. Ang problema nga lang, it can stain the surface. Nag-relieve siya ng chalk-like substance, so you need to coat it. Kailangan mo siyang i-paint. Kagaya kanina, madali lang siyang matapyasan, kagaya nung pagpukpok ko ng concrete nail kanina. So, in terms of durability, mababa siya. It has low durability when subject to damage from any impact or abrasion. In case you plan to use a concrete materials, you need to cure it, guys. Concrete is high in lime, which is toxic to many plants. Lime is a carbonate oxide or hydroxide of calcium. So, ginagamit ito para increase ang soil pH and also provide calcium ions in the soil. On the other hand, ang gypsum is a calcium sulfate. It is also used to provide calcium ions in the soil, but it does not have the effect of increasing the soil pH. Gypsum is classified by the Fertilizer Act as a liming material. But it is not considered one in farming as it does not reduce the soil acidity. At ito na ang finished product, guys. Mas time-consuming ang pag-paint. And I'm still looking for a plant for this project. I hope you learned something from this video. Please leave a comment. Add me also on Instagram. I'm open for any suggestions, guys. And see you on my next one. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!